Hey, welcome back to the Tinkerage, vlog 6 if I remember correctly. Progress has been slow the past couple of days. It's Friday today. I spent all day Wednesday in bed with a high temperature. Nose still looks, maybe not with the colour cast in the fluorescent light, still looks a bit like Rudolph. Hopefully it's not going to get any worse. But I've made a bit of progress today. Managed to decide though, while I was in and out of fever on Wednesday, various different things. One of those is that I am at some point going to build a rack for those, Sortimo style rack. A few people have demonstrated those lately, and I really want to have a go at making one. And I happen to have some timber come into my possession just today. Took some shelves down in our conservatory. I've got some nice timber board here, which I'm going to use to make something that will probably fit where I currently have my nails. Now, I don't use nails an awful lot, so the only thing I tend to use some panel pins and this little tub that I bought in a pound shop many years ago. So I'm thinking of maybe putting my nails somewhere else. Now, I have made one key change from what I showed the other day. The shelf is still here, but the stereo's gone, and the CDs have gone. Well, there's the stereo again. So what I have done in taking down those shelves in the conservatory, I managed to take possession of some quite nice brackets, pre-made brackets. And I've used those to take the scaffold board shelf that was originally over here. I've now put that above the door. It's wide enough to take the CD player on its little piece of hardboard. I think that's masonite in America. Somebody might want to correct me on that. Not quite enough of a gap to stand the speakers upright, so I might just take advantage of the cables and put a speaker and over one side and one over there and get a little bit more stereo split, which would be nice. Not that it's a big deal in here. That shelf didn't even have to cut, perfect fit. So that's up there. That means I've taken out the little extended shelf that I put the CD player on that was there. That's now back on the floor. I don't know if I will recreate something like that. It's perfect for the CD player, but I'm not sure whether I need that again. I have to decide what I'm going to store whereabouts. So that's the progress. Been slow the past few days. Starting to feel a lot better. Actually felt well enough to come out here today. 2 days not in here. And yeah, made some progress again. And I like that. I like making progress. I'm sure we all do. Anyway, keep subscribed, keep hitting the like, share it among some friends if you like. No, but not if you like. Just share it among some friends and some enemies. Why not? Just share it, but do hit that notification button. There's going to be a few more steps to this. This is going to take at least a couple more weeks, possibly even another month, till I'm going to a place where I'm happy with. It's getting there slowly, making some progress. I feel like I might be able to clear some benches clear over the weekend, and let's hope that that's something that can happen. So my dinner calls, I've probably been working out here long enough today. Bye for now.